If you've ever wondered if there is a perfect size notebook for how you want to plan, the answer to that is yes, but it's not that simple. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. Hi everybody and welcome. My name is April and this is the Frugal Planner channel. It wasn't as hard to say in my head when I named the channel. Anyway, let's get started. I told you that there is a size of notebook that will work best for everybody's type of planning, right? That is what this channel is all about. It's finding ways to plan without spending a whole lot of money and being able to really customize the plan for whatever era of life you're in. So let's start with the pen and gear. This is a 4x6, and I'll tell you, I have so many ideas for this little notebook. I really want to dive into it, and maybe this will just be the first video that I do after this one to show you like a quick flip through of ways that you could utilize this. I'm thinking meal planning. I'm thinking daily journal. I'm thinking market list because it's so little and portable, it can just go right into your bag. I'm thinking school assignments. I'm thinking different things that you have to do, like check the P.O. box every day. You have to, do all those things. So like a checklist. This would also work really, really well as a checklist. The next one is, it's almost an A5, is it? It's pretty darn close to an A5. And in this one, it's already pre-printed. It's got the weather on one side and then the date on the other. Now, two things with this. Number one, if you don't like doing a lot of pre-filling in yourself, having a pre-filled undated planner or spiral notebook is super duper helpful. So this spiral notebook is not necessarily a planner. I didn't pick it up as a planner. It was just a spiral notebook. Has already the weather icons in there so you don't have to draw them in, and then the date. Now, second thing, if you don't like this, we can cover this. We can cover this up with a piece of decorative paper. We can cover this up with some washi tape. Yeah, there are options. And it's really nice paper. It's got a nice toothiness to it, a grip almost. So the ink is gonna saturate this really well. This one is a beautiful planner. I should mention it's an off-white, even though it probably looks a little brighter on camera than it is in real life. It is an off-white. It comes with a gold coil. Both of these, actually, I'm not sure where I got this one. I know I got this one at Walmart. This one came from Amazon. I will tag as many of these down below in the description as I can find or remember. So this one has page and date, and then on the bottom it has prefer time. I don't know what that means. Again, we can either leave that and plan around it. We could put a sticker over it. We could put some washi tape over it. We could utilize it if we want to. This is a really pretty planner. It's got a hard cover, super sturdy. So if you're going to be, packing this around in your purse, it should hold up to some good wear and tear. This one is from the Dollar Tree, the dollar store, Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah. And it is one of the Jot notebooks. I know it's Dollar Tree because that's their brand. It has really thin paper, but it's nice and toothy. Like, I love to write in this one with a ballpoint pen. Yes, the G27 and the G210 by Pilot, those juicier pens, do really well on this paper. And because it's almost an A5 as well, it's 5x7 or 5.75 by 8.75, so just a little bit bigger than an A5. I can tell you my mind is racing with ideas that I could put in this one for you to show you different layouts. So I'm excited. I'm excited to show you some fun layouts. You just need to find the style and size of spiral notebook you want to start with. Most of these layouts that I'm going to show you can fit in any size. We can make them fit in any size. This again is from Walmart. It's from the back to school special that they have going on right now. Everything left in this pile is under $4, so that's a pretty good deal. This is college ruled, and it is how many pages? I want to say it was 180, maybe it was just 100. So 100 pages. Now you have a couple options here because the pages are a bit thin, right? So if we write on it with anything, it might bleed through, and that's a real thing. Because it's only a $3 notebook, you can either glue the pages together to make them double thick, or as you're planning, if it bleeds through, just tear out the next page or cover it with a sticker. I'm going to show you all of these options on this channel as time goes by. Trust me. I've got some tips and tricks for you. So this one is a regular size 8x10, 8x11, 8.5x10. Yeah, it's got the decorative cover, so you wouldn't have to recover this if you didn't want to. This one also, same thing, but it is a wide ruled. Now, I'm not a big fan of wide ruled. I would rather have the college ruled. However, there are certain things that the wide rule paper works better for. Nothing like giving myself a ton of tongue twisters right in this first video with you. I will show you some really cool habit trackers you can make with these, and the wider lines really do serve a positive role in that. And then you've got, I'm going to save this one for last. You've got the giant, the oversized 5 stars. These are huge. They have pockets in them that you can store things in. And this one specifically has some light gray markings. And when I first picked it up, I was like, I don't know that I want that. And then the more I thought about it, these could be used as like checklists for the day. So you could do a skinny column here, have your checklist for the day, color these in as you get them done. And then your second column could be for 100 other things, right? 100 other things. So if you like the larger notebooks, but you don't want to mess around with anything pre-printed, do not choose this one from Walmart. If you don't mind getting a little creative and using what's pre-printed, this is really nice paper. It's got that notebook toothiness to it, and I think it's going to be one of my favorites to plan in. Now the last one is kind of a shout out to all of my bullet journal friends. This is a dot grid spiral notebook. It was definitely under $3. And I'm really excited. I'm not a perfectionist at all by any means. So as we go through this process, you are going to see me make a ton of mistakes, and you're going to learn ways that I have learned how to either cover them up or disguise them so they don't look like mistakes. That's probably the one thing I do most, is I disguise things so that they don't look like a mistake anymore. I cannot wait to show you the different layouts, the different themes, the different color combinations that I am going to do in this dot grid. I know it's been quick. It's been a quick little introduction, but I just wanted to bring you in on the channel. I wanted to tell you a little bit about me. Again, my name is April. I am married. I've been married for 28 years almost. I'm a grandma. I am a cat mom and a mom, but I'm a cat mom to 2 beautiful cats, and you will definitely probably see them on the channel because they like to hop up on my desk every once in a while and say hi. Let's see what else. My husband is an avid motorcycle rider. He's gone a lot, so this is what I do really to keep my sanity. And I love the creative outlook of it. But I also understand that planning in the mainstream planner world is expensive. I have fallen victim of washi tape, of stickers, of pens, of markers, all of that stuff. I have all of it to show you. I have all of it to share with you. And I'm hoping by sharing more frugal ways to plan, I can inspire anybody who's kind of in a rut with their planning, or they're brand new to planning and don't know where to start. I'm hoping to give you some inspiration and some ideas. So on that note, click, oh, see, I told you that's Stark. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Tune in once a week. It's nothing crazy, just once a week I'll put up a video, and yeah, I'll meet you down in the comments. Have a terrific day. I love you. Bye.